Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Miriam Beauty, and today I am going to do a video on this look. I would say it's a glam look, night on the town look, or event, or whatever you have, even day look if you want to go that bold. If you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. I already did my full face because I always show how I do my face, but if you want a video specifically on how I do my foundation and my brows and my contouring, just comment down below. But I'm gonna get started on my eye. So first I am going to prime my eye. I usually use concealer. I'm gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape on my eye. Okay, so I'm going to start with my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use the color, this color, use the color right there. I will start with a little bit at a time and build up as you go. And I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics brush in 103. And I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here and put it in the crease. I'm going to use Sigma brush again. Now I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to use the E40 brush. I'm going to put a little bit on the tip, and I'm going to put it right over the dark colors. I'm going to go back with the BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to take a darker color. I'm going to take this one right here, and I'm just going to stay right in the crease of my eye. I'm going to bring it all the way to the corner of my eye, inner corner. And now I'm going to blend out the edges a little bit. And I'm going to bring the color a little bit to the center. So I'm going to grab a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and then again I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. Then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. small precision brush to carve out my crease. So I always make a line like that, and then I like look up, kind of. And that'll tell me where my crease is going to be. I have a hooded eye, so mine is probably going to be a little bit higher. If you have any suggestions on how you do your crease, please comment down below, because I want to know how you guys do your creases. Maybe it's easier than mine. Maybe it's different. I would love to know. Okay, so I usually stop right there for the crease. So that's it. And then now I'm just going to kind of blend it in. You'll see. Can't really explain it that well, but okay. I'm going to use first for the inner corner. I'm going to use this color. And I'm going to use this brush by BH Cosmetics in 105. And I'm going to put that color in the inner corner. And I'm going to use this brush from Real Techniques. And I'm going to use the next color. I'm going to use this one right here. And then I'm going to use this one right here. And I got a little fall, so I just use the brush that I used to bake with to just take it off. I'm just gonna use this brush, go back in and blend everything in. Then now I'm gonna use my Sigma brush, and I'm going to use the color that I use for the crease, this one, and just go back and blend it out. Kind of blend everything together. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do my under eye. And first I'm gonna go in the order that I did the eye. So first I'm gonna use this color. And then I'm going to go back with my BH Cosmetics brush. Then I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm just going to go right close up to my lashes. And then I'm going to put my Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Liner in Penny Lane. I'm going to put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner. I'm going to use the Architect LA Splash Cosmetics eyeliner. I love felt tip, by the way, because it's so easier to apply. Usually I start in the middle and then I bring it over. Don't want to do something too dramatic because the eye's already dramatic, in my opinion. Okay, so let it dry for a minute I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished the other eye, as you can see, and I already put my lashes on, and now I'm going to highlight, put blush, lips, so let's get started. Highlights, we're gonna do the Ofra Everglow, Nikki Tutorials and Ofra collab, and I am going to use my Real Techniques little brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to use it right here. Then I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to use this brush right here, which I have no idea what the name is. I'm going to use the same color and going to highlight. Center my nose, the bridge of my nose. It's really bright. This in my cupid zone. Some more here. Yeah. Blush. Some blush on, and I'm going to use the California Benefit blush. Now I'm going to do my lips, and I think I'm going to use, I might use the Stella All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Perla. Okay guys, so I am done with this look. I would say this is like a glam night on the town look. I didn't know what to call this look when I was gonna do it, so I guess it's a glam look. So that is it for this video. If you have any suggestions on which video you would like to see next, just comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell to know when the next video comes out. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.